Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Printify integration with Shopify and WooCommerce. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Printify integration with Shopify, navigate to the Shopify App Store using the left-hand menu. In the search bar, type Printify and hit enter. Click on the Printify app from the search results. Select the Add App button to initiate the installation. Follow the prompts to install the app to your Shopify store. Once installed, you will be redirected to the Printify setup page. Create an account or log in to your existing Printify account. After logging in, connect your Printify account to your Shopify store. Once connected, navigate to the Manage My Stores section on Printify. Click on Add New Store and select Shopify again if prompted. Now, your Printify store is successfully linked to your Shopify account. To activate Printify integration with WooCommerce, start by logging into your WooCommerce dashboard. Go to the Plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New and search for Printify. Once you find the Printify plugin, click Install Now to add it to your WooCommerce site. After installation, click on Activate to enable the plugin. Next, navigate to the WooCommerce settings. Look for the Printify tab in the Settings menu. Click on it and log into your Printify account or create a new account. Follow the prompts to authorize the integration with your WooCommerce store. After completing the authorization, your Printify account will be connected to WooCommerce. You can now manage your products and orders through both platforms seamlessly. With both integrations activated, you are ready to start customizing and selling your products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.